So students, the topic which we are going to begin is common functions. In this topic, we will learn about the use of different kind of functions which are very common. Suppose I have some data, say January, and next is February, of course. And if I select both of these cells with the help of autofill feature, I can drag up to uh, say December. January, February, March, April, all the months are there. And suppose the heading is months, and here suppose the heading is sale, and I am giving some values in 3 digits: 130, 140, 150, 190, 120, 180, 190, 130, 160, 190, 140, and say 150. So these are the values. Now what are the functions which we can use? The first is select the data with the help of shift plus bottom arrow key, and then we can click on auto sum. So when we click on auto sum, what happens? We get the addition of all the values, and the function which is being used here is sum, definitely sum function, but it is happening by clicking on the auto sum icon. Next is sum itself. Suppose we have not calculated this way, so you can write is equal sum bracket begin, and then you can select the range yourself. You can be particular about the range also. It's not mandatory you have to cover all the months, but you can take it accordingly. In the same manner, there is one more function which is called average. Instead of sum, if you write average, so it will be calculating the values, means January to December, all the values which have been considered for the sale, the average is 155 approximate. Fine. And if the same range I am using, but I am writing here max, so it will be showing the maximum value. We all know that the maximum value is 190. And in the same manner, if in case I write min, so it will be showing minimum value which is 120. And if I write here is equal count, then it will be showing the counting, means total 12 values are there. So count, sum, average, auto sum, max, and there was one more function I demonstrated in the previous video, that is product. We can do the calculation, we can do the multiplication with the help of product, but here if I'll do product, you can imagine the values would be so long, so big. But if I do it, you can see it is giving the values in the exponents. Fine. There are some more functions given in the book related to round off, related to exponent. I am giving you some names here that you can try. They are given in the book as well, like odd, to check whether the number is odd or even. There is round, that is to round off the number. There is exp, that is exponent, means the power of a number. There is sqrt, that is the square root of a number. There is power function. Fine. Let's take an example of some of them. For example, is equal, and then I write power bracket begin, power of a number. Suppose this number I am taking, and power I am giving only 2, because if I'll take big power, the values would be too much. So this is 130 into 130, I am getting 16900. And is equal, if I take sqrt, that is square root bracket begin, and then I write 160 bracket close. If I do enter, I am getting 12.64911, that is the square root of 160. But in case here I write 100, so definitely the value will be reflected here, and we will be getting 10, because 100 square root is 10. So this way, children, you can definitely perform all the functions depending upon the need. And you can try functions like, there is one more functions related to today, is equal TOTAY, today bracket begin and close. It will be showing the date. We all know, suppose if it is system date is 25th May, it will be showing 25th May. If the system date is 29th May, it will be showing according to that. This video I'm making on 20th May, so it is showing the date of that particular day. We can even extract the name of days, like Monday, Tuesday, and all that. So all these things are given in the book. You can refer your book for the detail. But for now, the main thing is we should be able to use these functions because they save our time and they eliminate the chance of errors. Thank you so much.